morning. That was a cold start of our Mercedes-Benz CL550, and you will see plenty of the exterior of this car, and it's a very distinct colorway, but I'll take you inside a little bit just to show you what we got going on here. So before we get to shooting, 21,989 miles, and as you can see, the temperature gauge there will be coming up to temperature as we idle for a little bit. But the rest of the interior, so we have your infotainment screen here, and we have the navigation up, so you can see the full color screen. Good quality, still looks as good as new. No dead pixels or anything like that. We have this nice wood trim. Let me close that up so you can see a little bit of that wood trim, but of course all of this will be covered in the photo gallery. Have all your climate controls in the center there, and then all of your infotainment controls there, and so volume, and you have some drive modes if you want to go comfort or sport, and then you have your steering wheel controls for the audio or menu navigation. You have your drive mode selector there right on the stalk, and your cruise control, and we have turn signals, lighting, seat controls, memory settings, heated and ventilated seats. Really nicely equipped car here, and of course the striking color combination is going to be one of the first things you notice. But other than that, just wanted to show you a little bit inside this car, and once the weather breaks outside, we'll be taking it out for our photo shoot, and we'll have plenty to show you on this one. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to drop a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching.